Hello, it's finals week starting tomorrow. And for those of you new to college, usually a class will have an in-person final at on a different schedule from the regular class. Let me show you how. Just type in final exam schedule to the search bar and then you'll see and you can kind of decipher it. We meet from 11:10 on East. And so the Wednesday class final is 10 to 12:50 on Wednesday, December 14th. And the Thursday class final is at the same time on Thursday. So it's not very different from our regular meeting schedule. I've posted the instructions in both an announcement and also in module 16. And I also moved these 2 extra credit opportunity, this Dropbox down in case you still want to fill out your improvement log or do the other extra credit opportunity. The one last thing is that if you want to and have time, you can revise your essay 2 and submit it by Friday midnight. Oh, the final exam is due by Thursday midnight. I forgot to say this. So you don't have to come in person. Because we're a hybrid class, you have the option to just take it at home. It's not supposed to be a fully revised perfect essay. As you can see when you read the directions, I'm not requiring a works cited sheet. The idea is that you write it in 3 hours using the sources, mostly the sources that you've already been using, maybe looking up an additional source or two, depending. So you can come to class it doesn't matter which class you're in, you can come either Wednesday or Thursday and write your final in the lab, or you can do it at home and drop it in the box by Thursday midnight. Okay, back to the essay 2 revision. That one is due at the very latest Friday midnight. I'll have a lot of grading to do, so I need those by Friday midnight. So if you have any questions, as always, just inbox me here. And congratulations, you guys did a great job in a hard semester. Hope to see you around.